Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to the beginning of lesson 4.9. We're going to spend a couple days on lesson 4.9 because this will be the first time where we use multiplication to multiply two-digit numbers, but not yet here. Here's 36 times 8. Spend a moment and you can either use, you've learned the rectangle method and you've learned partial products as well. I want you to solve 36 times 8. Okay, and remember, it doesn't really matter what you can type into your phone or to type into a calculator, okay, because we want to be able to do these ourselves. 36, I'm going to use the rectangle method because that's going to be my focus today. Let's see, 36, so 30 and 6 times 8. 3 times 8, let's see, jingle bells, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. There it is. Put the 0 on that I got rid of. 6 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. So 6 times 8 has to be 48. We add those together, and we get 288. Right? Nothing new. Nothing new there. Okay, just a reminder of what we've been doing in the past. Today, we are going to multiply two-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. And we're actually going to use the partitioned rectangle method as we move into partial products. That's why we're going to spend 2 days on this. But this is our ultimate goal by the end of tomorrow's class. So, how could you draw a partitioned rectangle if you had to multiply 32 times 54? All right, I want to show it to you. So in the past, we've done rectangles like this, right? But that's no longer going to work. Our rectangle now is going to be more square-like, right? And the reason is, so let's take the 32. We know we need to split off the 2 and have the 30, right? 32 is 30 and 2. But the 54, look now, right? We don't have one digit over here. We're going to have 2. So we need to split off the 4 from the 50. And what that creates here is 4 pieces instead of 2 like we had back here. Okay, now we have 4 pieces to multiply. So, right, so look up, look to the side. So 30 times 50. 15, and then 2 zeros. Down here, right, look, 4 times 30. 4 times 30, right? Straight up and straight to the side to figure out what's multiplied by 120. How about over here? 2 times 50. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. Add another 0. And 2 times 4 is 8. And what do you think we'll do with these numbers? You're right. We need to add up all of these pieces. And when we do that, we will be able to find our answer. Okay, 1,728. So how is this rectangle different than the ones that we've done in the past? It has to be deeper or wider to allow for us to split up the second number. All right, let's try this one. 82 times 49. Grab your notebook first. And you need to write this with me, right? You've got to do this so that you can get used to doing this on your own. Draw this box. 82. So take this. We're going to split off the 2 from the 80. Draw that. And then 40. Oh, got to split off the 9. 40 and 9. Make yours look exactly like this. Okay, now as we go through the pieces, we're going to think, okay, 80 times 40, that's going to go right here. 8 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. With 2 zeros, because there's 2 zeros in the problem. 80 times 9, 9 times 8 is 72, and a 0 on the end. Over here, 2 times 40 is 80, and 9 times 2 is 18. 3,200 plus 80 plus 720 plus 18. Notice that I'm lining up the place values. All the ones are on top of each other here. This would be 11, so carry the 1. That would be 10, so carry another 1. There's my answer. All right, I did these two to model for you. You are now going to help me on this one. First, I want you to draw the box like this. And I want you to put the numbers in their places. Do that first. Hey, if you did things correctly, you have 60 and 5 and 30 and 1. Now, if you have 30 and 1 up here and 60 and 5 here, that would work too. Your boxes, you'll have different numbers in different places, but you will get the same answer, okay? Because like we said before, 7 times 2 equals 14 and 2 times 7 equals 14. You can flip the numbers around in multiplication. And in addition, not in subtraction or division. But in multiplication, it works fine. All right, what goes in this big box right here? 1,800. If you said 180, don't forget we have 2 zeros there now. 2 zeros that we had to cross out. Whoop. All right, for this box, what 2 numbers do I have to multiply? 60 times 1. Anything times 1 is 60. What 2 numbers do I need to multiply for this box? 5 and 30, right? Look up, look to the side. 150. And then what is the answer for this box? Just 5. All right. Let's do the next step. What do I need to do with these 4 numbers? Add them up. All right, go ahead. Add them up. Let's see if you got it. 5, 11, carry the 1, 10, carry the 1 again, 2,015. All right, I want you to try this next one and then we'll check your work. There's our goal though. We're multiplying 2 two-digit numbers. We're getting to the partial products method. Okay, we're getting there as this is a 2-part lesson. Okay. Whoa, look at all those problems. Let's just do this one. All right, 14 times 23. You need to go all the way and then type in your answer. All right, we're going to check your work. You should have this. Now, you could just type this into a phone and get the correct answer. That is not the goal. The goal is to know how to do this, right? So 200, 20 times, and it's 200, not 2,000, because 1 times 2 is 2. Put 2 zeros on the end. We'd have 80 here. 10 times 3 is 30. 4 times 3 is 12. When you added those up, we would get, let's see, that's 12, 322. All right. How are you doing on this so far? Let me know. Where are you at with this? So mostly making sense, not making sense, sometimes making sense, but you're having problems with the multiplication facts. Where are you with this? All right. I'm going to show you, right? We know what our goal is here today. We're multiplying 2 two-digit numbers. You will receive this page. I called it bigger partitioned rectangles. You have 5 problems to do. You will not be able to type on this page. Okay, you will do your rectangles on a separate sheet of paper, And then when you have to turn in your assignment, you will hold up that sheet of paper and I will see the rectangles. Do not just show me 5 answers. That's a waste of time. I want to see your 5 rectangles. And if you've been listening and participating in this video, that will be a whole lot easier than if you were just typing something in a phone, right? I know that the phones are there. I know the phones can get the answers, but that is not the point of learning this. We're learning how to do this, right? Not just what the correct answer is. The process is key. Okay, so you will hold up your rectangles that you draw in your notebook. If they're on a dry erase board, that's fine, but it might be hard to fit all 5 of them on one dry erase board. So I'm going to suggest using a piece of paper as you work on these partitioned rectangles. That was our goal today. If you can't, if you're stuck on facts today, use the fact chart in the back of your math journal. Okay, because of course, if you get any of the facts, if you're multiplying these and you do the whole process right, but you get a fact wrong, it's going to throw things off. All right, fourth graders, if you need any help with anything, be sure to let me know, and good luck.